I think ever since I could talk or ever since I could sing, lagi na akong umaarte sa harap ng audience ko, which is my mom and yung yaya ko nung time na yun. Lagi ako nagpuput on ng show, comedy show, you name it. Para ako na may comedy bar sa bahay. Ako yung feel ko talaga. Basta bata pa lang mo talaga ako, I knew na maarte ako, hindi, na mahilig akong mag-perform. I started doing commercials at the age of 2. Hindi pa ako fully aware sa mga nangyayari, but I guess you could say it was really in me. It's part of my DNA, I guess. Lagi ako nanonood ng mix. Every day, wala pang gadgets noon, wala pang social media. So, TV talaga yung form of entertainment na nakukuha ko. Kahit yung Pinoy Top 20, pinapanood ko lahat yun, lahat ng mga playlists. So, I guess isa din yun sa mga entry ko sa music career. And my father, kasi actually, my dad is a musician, and my sister also sings. I've always been surrounded by music. Tapos nagko-collect ako ng CDs, kahit wala akong CD player. Kung meron akong favorite artist, lahat ng album niya, kompleto ako nun. Favorite ko ng mga banda, My Chemical Romance, first ever CD that I bought. Fall Out Boy, yung bands, Avril Lavigne, Paramore, yun yung era. Until pumasok sa buhay ko si Justin Bieber. At doon, hindi ko mundo. Doon na, as in Justin Bieber galore, and syempre Taylor Swift. We have Selena Gomez, all the pop stars, the pop icons. Bukod po sa mga concerts, mahilig ako manood ng gigs. Bar gig, ganyan, of Moonstar 88. Sila ang pinaka-paborito kong banda. And syempre, idol ko din si Ate Yeng Constantino. Isa siya sa mga naging inspirations. Naging mentor ko, so I'm so proud to say that. I was able to learn a lot from her, watch her. Iba siya as Ate Yeng, pero iba din siya as our mentor. Ang dami niyang na-instill sa akin, and hindi ko makakalimutan yung mga advice na binigay niya sa akin. Mostly, doon nag-arrange yung music taste ko, especially when I was young. Either alternative rock, or